Balen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. For today's vlog, we are excited to introduce to you guys this luxury villa by Reca. So this is located po sa Enclave, Angeles City, and yeah, this is villa number 1. We're gonna give you a tour of the place. Meron po tayong isang villa sa kabila. And if you want to know more about this, include this on your habulin natin ng summer goals, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! And guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Villa 1 and this is the first level. On my left, kung makikita nyo guys, ayan, so meron siyang sariling swimming pool niya. So this is the living room area. Katabi niya yung dining table natin. If you're more than 10 in the family, kasyang-kasya po kayo dito. So sa first level natin, meron na tayong room dito. Ayan, pasukan natin. There you go. And then, meron tayong full-fledged kitchen dito. So you have your own refrigerator, stove, kitchen utensils, sink, at saka lalagyan ng mga iba pang gamit na dadalhin nyo dito. So each villa has 4 rooms dito po sa second floor nila, and meron tayong isang VIP rooms at saka mayroong 3 regular rooms. Immediately, I want to give you a tour dun sa VIP rooms nila. Tara! So this is it. This is the VIP room. I think additional 2,000 pesos lang you can have access to this one. But for the rest of the rooms, meron tayong access dyan immediately after booking natin. So it has a really big bed. Meron tayo ditong huge LCD TV. It has its own cabinet. At the same time, meron din siyang sariling CR. Plus, you have access to the balcony. And second level. So dito sa first floor natin, this is their living area or the common area. Still dito sa first level natin, your dining table. It has full-fledged kitchen. So kompleto yung mga kitchen equipments natin dyan. You have your ref, stove, rice cooker, and then it has the first room dito sa bahay. Ayan. Check this out. Right, so yun guys, coming into the side of the luxury villa, you will have your, kumaga, outdoor alfresco. So meron tayong garden dining dito. At the far back, so dito located yung swimming pool natin. So pinagmamalaki ni Reca, all our pools are copper treated. So it is ensured that it is sanitized and safe sa mga susunod pa mga gagamit nito. So, ayun guys, let's have a summary of Reca Luxury Villa. So, meron po tayong 2 villa for you to choose from. The entire place, except of course for the swimming pool area natin, is fully air-conditioned. Meron po tayong 5 bedrooms, isa sa baba, and 4 po dito sa taas. You have your own internet access for free. Meron po siyang parking space for 2 to 3 cars. Free use of VIDEOKE, movie audio can with the Netflix and chill. You can use the kitchen and all of the utensils. Plus, no Corkage po tayo sa mga dadalhin yung mga pagkain. So they have a 24/7 on-site customer service. And for the prices, Monday to Thursday, meron po tayong 13,995 pesos, and Fridays to Saturdays, including holidays, ang price po nila ay 15,695 pesos only. So for bookings and reservations, check out the numbers we're gonna be providing. Alright, so there you have it guys, another option for you to check out. Sabi ko nga din sa introduction natin, habulin natin ang summer goals. You gotta add to your list Reca Luxury Villa. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Hopefully nakatulong po kami sa inyo. And you gotta check out again Reca Luxury Villa. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, stay safe. Peace.